In this question, you have to point out the option that represents an example of hormone releasing IUD, that is intrauterine device. Option A, multi-load 375. It is incorrect. It is a copper containing IUD that prevents pregnancy by releasing copper ions because they are very toxic to sperm, but it does not release any hormone. Option B, copper T. It is also incorrect. It is another example of copper based IUD similar to multi-load. Option C, LNG20. Now, LNG20 is a hormone releasing IUD. It releases levonorgestrel, a progestin hormone, to prevent pregnancy by thickening the cervical mucus and inhibiting sperm movement, in addition to thinning the uterine lining. Hence, it is the correct option. Option D, copper 7. It is also incorrect. It is an example of another copper containing IUD shaped like the number 7.